Good morning. Welcome to your Tuesday, April 17th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we do have an area of low pressure off to our northeast and an area of high pressure that's building in from the southwest, which will act to tighten the pressure gradient over the region, lead to some breezier conditions, especially heading into this afternoon. Could see the possibility of issuing a wind advisory after the noontime hour this afternoon and continuing into the later portions this afternoon and into the early evening. We do have diminishing cloud cover over the region. However, we'll have an upper level shortwave that'll be passing to our north this afternoon, which will act to increase our cloudiness over the region once again. So we'll have quite a bit of sunshine here over the next couple hours, but as we head into the early afternoon, those clouds will begin to increase and will continue into the later portions of this afternoon. Looking at the current conditions, you can see the mid to lower, the lower cloud cover, making its way east of the region and beginning to diminish. Winds also beginning to slightly pick up out of a west-northwesterly direction. Mainly right now, sustained winds are sitting between 5 to 10 miles per hour. We did have some random gusts up around 18 miles per hour, and those winds are expected to increase as we go throughout the morning into the afternoon, mainly out of a westerly direction. It should be topping out at about 15 to 20 miles per hour, possibly gusting right around 28 to 30 miles an hour. So we'll have to keep an eye on that one in terms of our wind advisory criteria. As of 8 a.m. this morning, we did have a few at 4,000, broken at 6,500, northwesterly wind at 8 knots with a temperature of 44 degrees. Over the next 24 hours, again, we'll have the chance for wind advisory being issued after 12 p.m. this afternoon. That'll continue through about 5, 6 o'clock this evening. Those higher winds with the chances for the wind advisory, and then they'll begin to really drop off, becoming westerly at about 7 to 12 knots. Temperatures are expected to rise into the lower 50s today, which is just about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. Normally we're in the mid 60s for this time of year. Again, only expecting a daytime high of 53 degrees under mostly cloudy skies heading into this afternoon. And then as we head into the later portions of this evening and into the overnight hours, we'll start to see our clouds diminish, eventually becoming scattered at around 5,000 feet and light westerly winds, allowing our temperatures to drop down into the upper 30s, expecting an overnight low of 38 degrees, and then by tomorrow morning, temperatures rising back up into the mid 40s with a westerly wind at about 6 to 11 knots. Our tides this morning are around a half a foot above normal, and those will be returning to more normal levels as we go throughout the day today and into tomorrow. For our day on Wednesday, we'll have high pressure building more in control over the area. We'll have partly cloudy skies and near seasonable conditions with a high of 62 degrees. Wednesday night, partly cloudy, becoming mostly cloudy and mild with a low of 52 degrees, as we'll start to see a cold front begin to approach the region from the northwest, and that will be dropping through the area on Thursday. It looks like it'll be the moisture with this system is going to be fairly limited, so there's a very slight chance that we will have a passing shower closer to the noontime hour on Thursday. We'll get up to a high of 67 degrees, but however, winds will be fairly breezy for our day on Thursday, expecting wind gusts looks like potentially up around 38 miles per hour as we head into our day on Thursday. And again, just a slight chance of a passing shower with that cold front that'll be dropping through the region. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.